To start learning, just subscribe to our channel and access our free English lessons. Our lessons will help you communicate confidently in the most common professional situations.
Concise writing means making your point and getting your message across in the minimum possible words. Being concise is one of the best things you can do in business writing because direct, concise writing involves communicating clearly in the fewest possible words. Concise writing gets to the point without redundancy or needless repetition. Direct communication means that you do not need to use 3 words when 1 word gets the message across. Now, it's worth saying that being concise is not the same as being rude. In fact, being more direct in your written work shows more respect to your reader and shows you understand that they're busy people. By being concise, you recognize that your readers only have a limited amount of time to dedicate to reading your email, letter, or report. This quote from Mark Twain might initially seem strange, but if you consider that by writing in a more concise manner, that it is more helpful to the reader, it starts to make sense. So, whether you're writing a letter, report, an email, or even your own CV, concise writing grabs your reader's attention and is also more likely to be more memorable. Now see if you can write these sentences more concisely. Another way that we can make our business writing more concise is by eliminating redundant words. Modern business writing involves short words, short sentences, and short paragraphs. To communicate more concisely, it's important to replace wordy phrases by single words where possible. Here are some examples. As of the date of becomes from. By means of becomes by. At this moment in time becomes now. For the purpose of becomes for. So as to becomes so. In the event that becomes if. Further to becomes following. Here are some other examples of redundant words that we can delete to make our work more concise.
Thanks for watching. To carry on learning business English, hit subscribe and turn on notifications and take our latest free lessons.